Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi A4 front bumper. First, turn your front wheels fully to one side to easily access the screws within the fender liner. Carefully remove these screws, typically 2 or 3, that secure the liner to the bumper. Next, get under the front of the car and locate the bolts, usually 3 or 4, holding the bottom edge of the bumper in place. Remove these as well. Now open the hood and find the screws along the top edge of the grille. There are usually 4 to 6 of these. Remove them all. Once the screws are out, gently pull the grille forward to release it from its clips. Be careful not to force it. Finally, check around the headlight area for any additional screws or fasteners that might still be holding the bumper in place. Remove these carefully. With all fasteners removed, you can now carefully pull the sides of the bumper away from the fenders. It should release with a gentle tug. Before fully removing it, look for any electrical connectors for fog lights, parking sensors, or headlight washers. Disconnect these by pressing their release tabs. It's best to have a second person help you gently pull the entire bumper straight off the car to avoid any damage. Reinstalling your Audi A4 front bumper is simply the reverse of these steps. Make sure all electrical connections are reattached before pushing the bumper back into place. Double-check that all clips engage properly and every screw and bolt is securely fastened to prevent any rattling or looseness. Taking your time ensures a perfect fit. For more great tips and to upgrade your home cleaning, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.